This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Cindy Hurlbert. Welcome home to this lovely villa with an open and inviting floor plan in Southshore Falls. Full of upgrades including granite counters, crown molding, an open floor plan, and an extended lanai, all situated on a premium waterview home site. Relax and enjoy bird watching and beautiful sunsets over the pond. A perfect spot for morning coffee or an evening cocktail. The 14,000 square feet clubhouse is the heart of this resort-style 55-plus neighborhood. 3 pools, including the lagoon pool, resistance pool, and Eagle's Nest pool, are all heated. You also have a hot tub and a state-of-the-art fitness center. Casual coffee cafe, hobby/craft room, ballroom, library/card room, billiards, putting green, shuffleboard, and bocce ball courts. Walking trails, tennis and pickleball courts, fitness, and a community that allows pets. No CDD. Don't miss your opportunity and make this your home today. Enjoy quick access to Tampa's top attractions like sports and entertainment venues, the aquarium, the manatee viewing site, and nearby waterfront restaurants for dining along the water, and much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Hurlbert at 813-455-2030.